Hi everyone! In today's video, we're exploring how to host videos on your WordPress site while staying GDPR compliant. I'll guide you step by step on using the Infinite Uploads plugin to keep your site secure, user-friendly, and legally compliant. Why GDPR matters for video hosting. Before we dive in, let's quickly cover why GDPR compliance is essential. 1. Protects user privacy. A must for building trust. 2. Avoids costly fines. Stay ahead of legal risks. 3. Builds credibility. Your audience will thank you. Now that we know the why, let's get into the how. Step-by-step walkthrough. 1. Install the Infinite Uploads plugin. Log in to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins, add New. In the search bar, type Infinite Uploads and hit Enter. Locate the plugin in the search results and click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. 2. Configure GDPR settings. Choose European cloud storage locations to keep data local. 3. Upload videos with ease. Upload videos directly from your WordPress dashboard, even large files up to multiple gigabytes. Enjoy automatic encoding at no extra cost. Use HLS streaming for smooth, adaptive playback on all devices. Customization features. Infinite Uploads lets you create a seamless experience for your users. Use an ad-free, fully customizable video player that matches your site's theme. No annoying third-party branding. Integrate effortlessly with the Gutenberg block editor. Pro tips for GDPR compliance. Always prioritize user consent. It's key. Stick to European data centers for secure storage. Minimize data collection and be transparent with your privacy policies. With Infinite Uploads, staying GDPR compliant is easy, secure, and stress-free. Start hosting your videos confidently today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more WordPress tutorials. See you in the next one.